This is the biggest thing we've launched since our last video update. If you remember, I talked about features we've done, and if you've been on our feed lately, you've seen a lot of content on it. It's called Maxflows, and it's our Node Canvas workflows for creative agencies. You should go check it out. I'm not going to go through the whole thing here. There's a full video on it that I will link on the description below, or maybe you'll see it on screen. But the short version is Node Canvas that you know how to work with. There's also a feature that you can activate it by voice and just it builds the entire workflow for you. You can create single videos or you can create many variations. There's a lot of ways to accelerate your work using these workflows. Since launch, we've packed it with new nodes. Let me show you some good ones. First, Voiceover node. Use one of our voices, or you can plug in your own 11 Lab library and then use your own voice, and it doesn't cost you a single token to use. Then there's RIZZ, our audio guided model. We added the node for it. You can take that voiceover and drop an image. RIZZ is the best audio guided AI model on the market, complete emotion sync, and now it is in the workflow canvas and you can work with it. Background removal is its own tool. I covered it in the last video. We now added it as a node. So if you have a process that you need to remove a background and still keep the subject and then process it to the next stage in the flow, you can now do it, and it's pretty quick. And this one's the big one, the video editor node. This is where it all comes together. Drop in your clips, your images, your audio, lay them on the timeline. You can stack your layers, render them into one finished video. This video editor is in the node workflow canvas. We did not bring it out as a separate tool, but stay tuned for that. And outside the workflow canvas, we shipped some more features, but I want to just mention one. Under tools, we now have merge video. So you can actually take separate clips and stitch them into one video. Then you can take that video, do a bulk change voice, or process it into your workflow. That's what I have for you now in this rapid fire, but there's a lot more features to come. If you want me to dig deeper into each of the features, I can make a full breakdown videos on them. Those that we already have, I will link down below, and I'll see you in the next one.